Hey guys, Maxim here, hope you're doing great, and today I want to introduce you to Clerk. At the end of this video you'll have a fully ready and very easy to implement authentication and user management system. Right now I will demo you how it actually looks like. I actively use it at Medical Cards, the projects that I'm building right now, and here is how it looks. I just click register, continue with Google, let's select this account. Bam. I'm here, I have a very nice profile here. I can manage my account, manage security, and I also get all the user management right here. So I can see, I can access and view the users that just signed in for the project. And that's exactly what we're gonna talk about it today, so let's not lose any more time and let's jump straight into the coding. So first and foremost, let's create a Next.js application, next app at latest, and the name will be Clerk Demo YouTube. I will go with TypeScript, no, yes, no, yes, and no.
Okay, let's write just a no.
Perfect. Let's cd Clerk Demo YouTube and let's open it in VS Code. Sounds great. So first, what we need to actually do is to install the Clerk package. So let's run npm I at clerk/next.js, and while we are installing this, let's go and delete all the unnecessary stuff that we have here. So for example, in global CSS we don't need all this stuff, so let's just delete it and save like this. Okay, here in page I also don't want to have anything here inside this return, so let's go and delete it. And for now we're just gonna put home. Yeah, that's okay. Here in the layout, what we're gonna do, first of all, we're gonna import Clerk. So import Clerk provider from Clerk Next.js. Okay, sounds good. Now here, what we do is interface props children React Node. Exactly. Here we don't need all this stuff, so we're gonna delete it. And what we write is export default function layout children props, and here we wrap all this thing inside Clerk provider. Perfect. We copy this, we go here down, we put it right here. Then also let's just split this, let's just split that, and inside body what I'm gonna do is main.container -auto. Let's copy all this stuff and put it right here, and now let's go and do flex .items -start .justify -center .min -h -screen. Yes, and we put this thing here. So it's just to center all the stuff that we have, and let's also do div class name equals empty20. Exactly, and our children are actually going right here. Perfect, that sounds good for now. If you didn't understand what I was doing, is just I guess it's, let me even show you the extensions that I'm using. So it's extensions, and it's called React ES7 plus React Redux React Native snippets. So now let's go and actually create some components, right? So let's go in new folder, components. Let's go into file header.tsx. I'm gonna copy and paste the code and walk you through right now. So let's go through it. We import user button from Clerk Next.js. We import authentication from Clerk Next.js server. What we do here, we verify that user ID, that is user is authenticated. Then here is just some basic headers that we have, link to the logo and all the stuff. And here we have the link that routes us to sign in, that we're gonna decide just in a moment. Sign up as well. Profile, we're also gonna design it all together. And yeah, that's how it is. Now let's go and create our dashboard where we will land whenever we'll actually log in page.tsx. So dashboard is just a placeholder. Welcome to the dashboard. No functionality, no nothing. The video is not about this, right? Let's close this and let's go to actually put it in our layout.tsx. So first let's import header from components header. Now we're gonna put header right here, exactly. Yeah, and that sounds good to me. Now let's actually go to Clerk, and I will create account together with you, with my Google. Let's go with this account. Sounds great. And here you can see, let me move this stuff. You can see a bunch of options that we can select. So from email to Google to Twitch to all the other stuff. Some of them require more stuff to set up, but we're gonna go with just default, so email and Google. I will call my application demo YouTube. Yeah, and create application. Perfect. So now here we are having this guide. We already did this step. Now we need an anv.local, and we just copy our credentials right here. We go and create a new file that is called .anv.local, and we paste it right into it. I will also just put inside public some images that I want to use, and let's actually finally customize the page. I will copy and paste code from my existing app, but here you can use basically whatever you want. Here it has nothing to do with Clerk. And right now, what we are lacking, let's actually go and create sign in, sign up pages. So first we create the folder that's called sign in, and here we go. And here we are going to create another folder that is basically called casual routes. Yeah. So we define it like this, 2 brackets and 3 dots, and we put sign in. What this file does is basically whenever we are inputting sign in / whatever, it's still dropping us exactly to sign in page. So and from here we just go and copy this code for sign in. Perfect. Basic stuff, sign in from Clerk, export sign in. Yeah, we don't need to know anything else. New folder, let's do the sign up. Here we define a new folder, as it is again casual routes, 3 dots, sign up, and here we create page.tsx, perfect, and copy the code for sign up. Amazing. Now what we want to do as well is to design a very important file that is called middleware.ts. So what middleware.ts does, it protects the stuff that can only be seen by authenticated users from being accessed without any authentication. Yeah? So basically our dashboard, because it's not in these public routes, it will be protected, but for example main page, profile and register will be available for average users. Perfect. So right now what we are just lacking is some routes, so we're gonna create a .env file. And here we're gonna specify next public Clerk sign in is sign in, here is sign up. After the sign in or sign up we are going to dashboard, and after sign out we are going out, right? So the only other thing that we are missing is the profile. So let's create a profile folder, and inside of this folder we again gonna create casual routes, so 3 dots, profile, and here inside we are going to create page.tsx, just copy and paste this code. So user profile, const profile, return user profile. Very, very basic. Perfect. So as for now, we are pretty much done. So let's go and check what we have achieved so far. Okay, so now let's finally run our code, npm run dev, and see what we got. Okay, so let's click on register, continue with Google, let's sign up with this one. Perfect. We are as expected here. Let's also check our users. Perfect, we have it. So now, what you can do next is to style your Clerk authentication. Yeah, so let's go to layout.tsx. Here, where you have the Clerk provider, you can also put appearances. And here you can specify a bunch of different stuff. Here I just changed the color to red. My text will remain black. You can also do something like import styles. I guess it's called styles. Let me check how. Yeah, exactly. Themes. You can. Here is a standard theme, the white one. You can go with dark, and those other ones. Yeah, but you can experiment with this on your own. And also something cool that I wanted to show you is that you can also ask for more details. For example, you want to ask for name and surname, you can go to here, user authentication, email, phone, username, and you can go to name and enable it. And after that, let's test it out. Let's sign out. So now let's register once again. Click register. Here you have already first name. Let's, for example, put Maxim Neman. Let's put my email like this. Let's actually do another one. Maxim at gmail.com. I will do password 123456789. You see here it has even built-in security, right? So we need to actually do some complex password. Let's do complex password. And now let me check my email. So as you can see, I've got here my verification code. Let's go and paste it in. Perfect, we are logged in. And we can see ourselves right here and get the data. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Obviously I was not able to cover every single topic that you can do with Clerk, but what I want to do next is to show you how you can synchronize Clerk users with your own database and how to extract Google OAuth authentication token from your Clerk users. And this you will see in the next following 3 to 4 days in my next video. So I hope you liked it. Please let me know your opinion about this video in the comments, and yeah, subscribe if you learned something new today. I will see you in around 3 to 4 days with a new update, a new tutorial. So take care guys, have a great day.